Hello guys, welcome to this exciting video series on Internet of Things. In this course, we will explore our first chapter, that how IoT is revolutionizing the world around us. Today's session focus on the first chapter, environmental parameters measurement and monitoring. Understanding these parameters is crucial for maintaining a healthy ecosystem. From air quality to water purity, monitoring plays a key role in sustainability. Uncontrolled environmental conditions can harm the humans, animals, and industries. IoT powered smart sensors provide the real time data for better decision making. This leads to improved safety, efficiency, and automation in various domains. By the end of this video, you will understand why measurement is and monitoring matter. Let's begin our journey into the world of IoT and environmental monitoring. So, at first, why measurement and monitoring are important? Environmental parameters such as temperature, humidity, air quality, and radiation significantly affect the human health and ecosystem. Monitoring these factors helps in detecting pollution, predicting the climate changes, and preventing the environmental hazards. So, for example, continuous air quality monitoring can alert the authorities to harmful gas leaks. Water quality sensors ensure the safe drinking water by detecting the contaminants like lead and bacteria in the water. Industrial processes rely on environmental monitoring to maintain the optimal working conditions and prevent the machinery failures. In agriculture, measuring soil moisture and temperature helps farmers to improve the crop yield. Smart cities use the IoT based monitoring to manage the energy consumption and traffic flow efficiently. Healthcare systems track the environmental conditions in the hospitals to prevent the disease outbreaks. Disaster management terms Disaster management teams monitor the seismic activities to predict the earthquake and save the lives. Proper measurement helps in research and policy making for a sustainable future. So without real-time data, managing the environmental challenges become nearly impossible. So now we will know the second part, effects of adverse parameters on living beings. Uncontrolled environmental conditions pose the serious risk to all forms of life. High levels of air pollution lead to the respiratory diseases like the asthma, lung cancer. Extreme temperature cause the heat strokes, hypothermia disrupt the ecosystem. Poor water quality leads to deadly disease such as cholera, etc. Increased humidity encourages the mold growth, causing the allergies and structural damage to buildings. Noise pollutions contribute to stress, hearing loss, decrease the productivity. In agriculture, irregular rainfall and temperature variation result in crop failure and food shortages. Industrial workers exposed to harmful gases suffered from long term health issues. Rising sea levels and environmental degradation threaten the biodiversity and lead to habitat loss. Radiation exposure from industrial and electronic sources can cause the genetic mutation and cancer. So, monitoring this factor helps to mitigate the risk and protect human and animal life. A well monitored environment ensures the better living conditions for present and future generations. So, at the end of the video, that brings us to the end of our discussion on environmental monitoring in the IoT. We explored why measuring environmental parameters is essential for our well being. Adverse conditions can severely impact our health, industries, and ecosystems. Smart sensors and IoT solutions offer real time data for effective decision making. From the air quality to the water safety, continuous monitoring ensures the sustainability. Governments, industries, individuals must adopt the IoT based monitoring systems. This technology helps to create the safer cities, healthier lifestyles, and smarter industries. In the next video, we will dive into the working principles of the sensors. Stay tuned, like and subscribe for more insightful content on IoT. See you in the next episode. Until then, keep learning and keep growing and stay curious.